Welcome to the How to Beach channel. Today I've got another gear review for you guys. We have the TCEK, I think is how you say it, swivel camp chairs. These things are pretty sweet. This packs up to 13.4 inches, I believe, and it weighs 3.69 pounds. So maybe not for backpacking 10 miles through the backcountry, a little heavy. But these things pack up so small for us to come to the beach. They fit all our gear. Fits in our backpack. I've got a separate review on this backpack if you're interested. It's a dry bag, it's a great bag. But so these chairs pack up this small, and then check this out. They swivel, which is awesome. They're waterproof. This is nylon. It says airplane grade aluminum, which does keep the weight down to a minimum. The one thing I do like about these chairs also is the mesh here where you sit, because when I fish, I wade out and I cast my line and I come back and I sit in the chair and my swimming suit is wet. And so the water drains through here nice and this dries super fast. So there's a lot I love about these chairs. The best thing is how quick these set up. So let me just show you how they set up. There's a strap here, if I can find the end of it. And then there's another little strap on the feet. So push this thing all the way down, then unstrap the feet, boom, and then you just pull these until they click into place. That's one click on the bottom, and two clicks on the top. And that's it. Fast and easy, super small, super lightweight, water drains out, waterproof construction. These chairs are the bomb. I highly recommend them for your next beach visit. If you want to see more gear reviews, check out my other videos. This is my next video I'm about to do right now. I just got a new backpack cooler, so I'll link to the backpack cooler up here. I'm going to do this video right now and review this new backpack cooler. This thing's under 50 bucks, so check that video out. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up and like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, do that, because I come and do beach gear reviews and I travel all around the world to show you different beaches. Thanks for watching. Go again.
Oh, wait. What?